How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. But today's a special show.
Alright guys, and welcome back, and here we go with the next episode of Sito at Bimini. And remember, this is part 3, so if you missed 1 and 2, I'm going to leave the links of the videos on the description below. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications, so like that you won't miss no more videos.
Alright, so we're going to eat breakfast. Where are we going to eat breakfast at?
CJ's.
Alright, we're outside now. We can take off the mask. At CJ's, so we're gonna take the golf cart and we're gonna eat breakfast. We left it over here.
Yeah, remember?
We had to walk. So last night we had to, all these parking spots were taken by all the golf carts here, as you can see. So we had to park way down there. Our golf cart number is number 9. So I don't know how far we walked yesterday. It's not this one. Oh. Yeah, we walked pretty far yesterday. Sleepy face. So this is our room right there. Oh, here it is. This is our car number 9. Oh my god, so the muffler blew on this thing is so loud last night. It was hilarious.
Oh my god, yes.
It's gonna be loud now.
Yes, it is.
You guys ready to go to CJ's and eat late breakfast? Rockstar life. We're gonna drink some coconut water with some rum. And he's gonna make it right here. What's up, Bubba? Chilling.
Thank you. So refreshing. Incredible. Oh my god,
Hell yeah, it looks good. You're making it with love.
We do it, Bobby.
Making it with love. There it is. Yeah. Oh, the girls are coming in with the food. What's that? That's the fish.
your fish. That's my lobster.
Looks like a little snapper action. And what'd you get?
Lobster and
You got a
fries.
little lobster and fries. What'd you get?
A fish sandwich.
She got a fish sandwich.
Yeah, we take a
Man.
picture of this feast.
So look at this, guys.
Then put it together.
Fresh fish, fresh lobster. We're eating in paradise. Drinking coconut water. Here we are. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful lunch or brunch. Are we eating brunch? Breakfast? What are we eating? We just woke up. We're eating brunch. So we're here, we're enjoying it, and we're gonna have some food, baby. that was good food, right?
Yes, it was. Delicious.
You liked it?
Loved it.
Now we're gonna head back to the resort, and we're gonna pick up Laz.
So, what do you guys think so far? Do you think Sito's having fun at Bimini? By the looks of things, he looks like he's having fun and lots more. But I do have to say, he has a strong stomach because I couldn't have drank for breakfast a coconut with rum and fish and fries. Not me, I couldn't handle it. I guess I'm used to the traditional breakfast. And what about you guys? Can you guys handle it?
Give it up one time. Whatever you're celebrating out here, I'm glad we can do it together. Shout out to my boy George Santana, who's been doing the damn thing. Give it up one time for George Santana right now. Oh yeah, so Mama Win, I want to see you have a good time. I want to see you drinking. I want to see you partying. So whatever we celebrating, let's celebrate it together. Let's go.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe. La calle está llena, se acabó.
mention that, but happy birthday to Lisa. Happy birthday, Regina. Happy birthday, everybody who's here, who's celebrating the damn birthday in beautiful Bimini, Bahamas.
Alright, so I guess it looked like everyone had a great time at the resort and the pool, listening to some good music. And too bad I can't play the actual song, but you know how that goes. And if you guys were hanging out in the pool and you're actually watching the video, let me know. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about the pool party. And this gives me an idea. What about if I throw a Fresco Channel sandbar pool party? Would you guys attend? Let me know. And also, if you guys watched all 3 special episodes, let me know. Did you guys like them or not? But from the pool, we're gonna jump into the night show.
If you grew up listening to old school freestyle music, I want you to put your hands up and make some noise. Well, tonight we have 2 of the best to ever do it, okay? We got George Lamont and we got Cynthia. How many New York people do we have here tonight? How many people represent New York? Okay. Okay. How many people represent Miami, South FLA? Well, welcome the one New Yorker and everybody else from Miami. So, here's what I want you to do. Get close to the front of the stage. Get close to the front of the stage. Performers love when people are right there enjoying what they're doing. So, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, I want you to give it up for the one, the only. Give it up for Cynthia!
Thank you, Laz. All right, now. Everyone that's here from Miami, right? My party people, we're going to take you back to some freestyle music going back to 1987. So let's just have a good time here in the beautiful Bimini Island and love our freestyle. Sing along with me. Are we ready? Are we ready out there? Are we ready over here? Come on. So if you know the song, just sing along with me and have a great time. Oh, I see you, right? I see you. Don't you chickening out on me, or you're gonna come up here and sing? Oh, okay. Okay, it's okay. I'll let you slide. I got you. I feel you. So everyone's pointing to you now. Come on. Let me get another microphone.
You got another mic here.
Thank you. Uh-oh. He came here to party. He came here to be my dream boy tonight. We're gonna sing together. I think it's on my right. Got you. Let's do this. You ready? I'm ready. What's your name again? I know you. What's your name again? George. George is ready to kill it. He needs your support out there. So make some noise for George. Come on. You gotta get your crowd into it, George. Come on, let's do this.
Good morning, good morning.
Come in.
Today's our last day here. You see the alarms are ringing. We're packing, we're getting out of here. So our last day here. Rose, how you feeling?
Tired, son, tired.
Tired. You already been tying up.
Man,
But we go fishing, we go.
we're going.
25 in the morning.
There you go.
I got back here with the golf.
There you go. So this is our.
Someone's coming up and I'm going to bed.
It was a crazy couple days. We had fun.
So much fun, so much good food too.
A lot of good food. Met a lot of good people. Today we're obviously packing up our bags. We're gonna put it in the boat. We got our passports. We got our customs paperwork that we filled out. And woo, as you can see, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day, and we're on our way back. And on the way back to Miami, we're gonna be doing a little bit of fishing. So let's see how that goes. Beautiful day here today, as usual. Good morning, brother. Look at Rose, got like 17 things in her hands. So we're gonna pack the boat up really quick. We're ready to go. So you can see we packed the little light. Nothing crazy, right? As long as we have bait, bikinis, and fishing rods. Yeah.
Well, I would like to thank Sito for taking the camera and Laz for taking us along, and the girls for showing us how much fun Bimini can be.